Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the Omega symbol or how to type the Omega symbol on your document in WPS Office Writer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just move on to the video. So how to insert Omega symbol on your WPS Office Writer. So it's easily simple actually. Go to the insert option here, then click on the symbol option here. So actually it's a Omega. So for every symbol there is you can select the font here. So for everything you have a Omega symbol, but the different of style will be different actually. So we're just selecting as a Calvary. So you just drag on the to the bottom, go to the end of the end here. You can find alpha and also the omega. You can see here. So just click insert. You can see now the omega has been inserted. Or you can also click as a letter like symbol. So here also there is a omega. You can easily insert from here. And in another design, different design was I just going to show. It's in FinScript MD, and here it's another different omega. You can see the difference between the omegas. So you can have this omegas. You can see every font has a omega, but it will be look in different shape and size. So try this option. I think this video helped you a lot. If it is really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. And if you want more content about WPS Office Writer, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with your super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.